Here comes the ducks, right? We gotta get rid of the seagulls.
Here they come.
Oh, we got a black one here now.
Okay.
So, with the duck.
What kind of bird is that? It's really pretty.
There you go.
Dad, just leave it in your hand. They'll come and take it.
Not all of them, only a couple of them are aggressive enough to do that. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, I'll distract the seagulls. Come on. Daddy. Come on. What are you guys doing? Oh, you want some? Good. You're not afraid of those guys. You're afraid. Of Look at this guy. See, this guy has some wings on him. Yeah, hold it up. Come on.
Dad, what are you doing? Dad's a seagull now. Look at him. Run, Dad.
There you go. Hey, look at this one behind you.
Oh, he found my pile. That's good, Dad. You can be a Cirque du Soleil. Ready? Dad La Nuba. Go ahead. Dad La Nuba. I need some acrobatics. I need some... That was... No.
Which one's mine?
Oh, you're in that Beatrix Potter. That creepy Beatrix Potter video that I have. Ready? You're Sir Duck.
Alright, I guess I'll take a shower first, Court.
Sir Duck.
I'll take a shower. That's all, folks.
Hold on, ready? Give me one final message. I know.
What the duck?
Oh my god, you're so cheap. Oh, here's that little blackbird.
The blackbird sitting on a tree. Look at him, he's sitting on a tree now.
I like the seagulls. I think they're kind of cute.